Hi all, welcome to our channel. Power Star Pawan Kalyan Hits and Flaps List. Number 1, Akkadamai Ikkadabbai, 11th October 1996, average. Number 2, Gokulamlo Sita, 22nd August 1997, hit. Number 3, Swagatam, 1st January 1998, blockbuster. Number 4, Toli Prema, 24th July 1998, blockbuster. Number 5, Tammudu, 15th July 1999, blockbuster. Number 6, Badri, 20th April 2000, blockbuster hit. 7th, Khushi, 27th April 2001, industry hit. Number 8, Johnny, 25th April 2003, flop. 9th, Gudamba Shankar, 10th September 2004, average. 10th, Balu, 6th January 2005, average. 11th, Bangaram, 3rd May 2006, average. 12th, Annavaram, 29th December 2006, average. 13th, Jalsa, 1st April 2008, super hit. 14th, Kumaram Puli, 10th September 2010, flop. 15th, Tinimar, 14th April 2011, flop. 16th, Panja, 9th December 2011, flop. 17th, Gabbar Singh, May 11th, 2012, blockbuster hit. Number 18, Cameraman Gangato Rambabu, 18th October 2012, average. 19th, Attarintiki Daredi, 27th September 2013, industry hit. 20th, Gopala Gopala, 10th January 2015, average. 21, Sardar Gabbar Singh, 8th April 2016, flop. 22nd, Katamarayudu, 24th March 2017, average. 23rd, Agnatavasi, 10th January 2018, flop. 24, Vakil Saab, 9th April 2021, super hit. 25th, Bimla Naik, 25th February 2022, super hit. 26, Bro, 28th July 2023, flop. 27, Har Har Veera Mallu Part 1, 24th July 2025, flop. 28th, OG, 25th September 2025, blockbuster hit. Power Star Pawan Kalyan, all movies, hits and flaps list. Thank you all. Subscribe to our channel.